Hi, my name is Stephen White. I'm the carpentry teacher here at the Gloucester County Institute of Technology. Today we are with our junior and senior class, and we're going to show you some projects that we're working on. In this class we cover the basics of hand and power tool use, job safety, and carpentry skills, and residential construction, and a little bit of commercial work as well.
Hi, my name is Jaren. I'm a junior here at GCIT, and right now I'm doing window trim.
Hi, my name's Griffin. I'm originally from Clearview, and I'm also working on window trim.
My name is Dakota Morris, and I'm working on some metal framing. And up here, this is called a soffit, and it hides like pipes and wires and stuff. And it's got screwed in.
I'm Brian Mills, and this is Jaden Tillis. We're both doing finishing the drywall, taping and mudding, screw holes.
So our students are really getting trained and getting ready to work in the industry. We have students who go out and they work in the field for the Carpenters Union, for many local contractors. We prepare those students by competing in Skills USA, which is our student organization that really helps prepare them to be workers and leaders in the industry. Thank you for joining us for CTE month.